President Emmerson Mnangagwa is reportedly considering a cabinet reshuffle that could see former Zimbabwe Defense Forces commander General retired Philip Valerius Swanda appointed to a senior ministerial post amid plans to restructure the Ministry of Lands, Agriculture, Fisheries, Water and Rural Development. Sarabina mashiko bwanyi wachinzi Mnangagwa and cabinet reshuffle. Tuli subscribe or like on the bell icon. Team now knows the bwanyi wachinzi. The Zimbabwe Independent reported that Swanda is being considered for cabinet, with the sources also indicating he may be co-opted into the ruling ZANU-PF Politburo. He reportedly embarked for the lands portfolio if it is separated from agriculture under the proposed restructuring. Responding to the reports, Information Publicity and Broadcasting Services Minister Jennifer Mswere dismissed the claims as speculative, while stressing that the president has constitutional authority to reshuffle his cabinet at any time. There is nothing of that nature. These are merely speculations. We work with the prevailing status quo, and the president has the constitutional authority to make changes to his cabinet without limitation, Mswere said. Should there be any developments, the media will be informed accordingly. Swanda retired from the Zimbabwe Defense Forces in November 2025 after serving as commander since 2018. Sources say discussions around his possible appointment are at an advanced stage, although no final decision has been announced. Under the proposed changes, Agriculture Minister Anxious Masuka would retain responsibility for agriculture, fisheries, and water and rural development, while a standalone Ministry of Lands would be created to focus specifically on lands and administration and dispute resolution. If confirmed, Swanda's appointment would extend a long-standing pattern of militarization in Zimbabwe's land and agriculture sectors dating back to the fast-track land reform program launched in 2000. Since the onset of land reform, the ministry and security establishment have played a central role in farm occupations, enforcement, and land allocations, particularly during the period of intense political contestation. Senior military officers and security elites have been widely documented as beneficiaries of prime agricultural land, while soldiers were deployed to enforce evictions of white commercial farmers and later black farm workers. Toma developments aripo muri Zimbabwe. Pina comment section medu zavungura aim to leave pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.